Shivani. Okay, what you have to do is I will send this username and password to you. Okay, this login details, user, and this username and password is there. I have sent it. Okay, what you have to do is click on use the username and password to log in. Go to LMM system settings. In the consolidated website management page, you have to click on edit consultation Marathi spec content, and here this is translated using Google Translate. You have to translate with proper grammar. Okay, so this is what you have to do. And in the SREC education website, in the SREC you have to go here, in the here edit the Marathi content. Okay, in the translation settings you have to click on, you have to set Marathi, set translation settings, and now you have to translate this. You can use Google Translate, but you have to properly use this properly. You have to put the grammar here. Okay, so you use these two. You have to translate both websites, SREC education.marathi language, this website, these two places. I will just tell you where you have to here. In the consultation, you just search for Marathi, this Marathi. You have to go here, and in the website sections you have to click on all these sections, and you have to translate one by one. Okay, and same work you will do in one more place, which is here in the English website. In the Marathi spec content, you will translate everything. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? We will see tomorrow when Sandeep sir comes. We will give you more instructions.